Now we need to link the data source, which is an array list of sport objects, with the UI, which is the recycler view and card view. I'll go to the main activity and I'll create instance from recycler view, alt plus enter to import recycler view class. And I need to initialize this recycler view. Then I need the data source. I start by private list of sport model class, alt plus enter to import the list class. I name it as sport list. I'll initialize it here. Sport list equal to new array list. Now I need to add sport items to this array list. I'll start by a sport object s1 equal to new sport. And for the sport, I need to pass the name and the image. You can see the constructor accepts a string and an integer variables. Starting by the name, which is football. And I'll pass the image from the drawable folder. Of course, I'll continue by creating the other sports object. And here we go. These are the sport objects. I'll add them to the sport list. So sport list.add method s1, s2 until s5. Now our adapter view, which is the recycler view, is ready, and the data source, which is a sport list, is ready. I need to link between these two parts, the data source and the adapter view. So for that, I'll create an adapter. Initialize it here. And I need to pass the sport list. And when dealing with recycler views, you need to set a layout manager because we need to manage the layout of its items. So recycler view dot set layout manager to new linear layout manager and passing this as a content. Recycler view is the reference for the recycler view instance that we've defined in the activity. The set layout manager method, this method is used to set the layout manager for the recycler view. The layout manager is responsible for positioning and measuring the items within the recycler view. And the new linear layout manager, and passing this, here you are creating a new instance of the linear layout manager class, which is a built-in layout manager provided by Android. The linear layout manager arranges items in a linear fashion, either vertically or horizontally. And this refers to the context, to the current context, which is often an activity or a fragment. In this case, an activity. It's used as a reference to the context in which the recycler view is being used. Putting it all together, the line of code, recycler view.set layout manager, is telling the recycler view to use linear layout manager to manage the layout of its item. This means that the items will be arranged linearly in either a vertically or horizontal orientation, depending on how you configure the linear layout. And by default, it's a vertical orientation. The last step is recycler view.set adapter to adapter. Save the project, run the application. And here we go. This is our application. This is the header and these are our cards. So you can see the rounded corner. So congratulations guys. This is our amazing application. I just need to edit this edit text or the text view and make it here. Move it down and this is good. Let me try. And here we go. This is our amazing application. Volleyball, tennis, ping pong, and football and basketball.